Hello guys, my name is Pushkaraj Rabadi and today we'll be discussing about Rapid Application Development Model, which is also known as RAD model in software engineering. So let's start. RAD is a software development approach that prioritizes rapid prototyping and quick user feedback over the rigid development cycles of traditional models. It accelerates software delivery by incorporating flexibility and users' interaction. Key features of RAD model are: it emphasizes on user involvement. Regular feedback is sought from users and during all stages of development. Reusable components. Existing software components are reused, reducing development time. Iterative development. Development occurs in cycles, allowing continuous refinement of product. Phases of RAD model. So there are 5 phases of RAD models. First one is business modeling. Focuses on understanding how information flows and interacts with business processes, determines business functions that are critical for the software. Second is data modeling. Identifies data needed to support business processes, defines how data entities relate to each other. Third is process modeling. Translate data flow into actionable processes to achieve business objectives, map specific workflows for system operations. Fourth is application generation. Uses automated tools and development environments to quickly create application. Prototyping tools often aid in this phase. Fifth is testing and turnover. Continuous testing is conducted during development to ensure application meets requirement. Final product is delivered at multiple iterations and user validations. So let's move to RAD model workflow. This diagram depicts the workflow of RAD model. The workflow is: first is business modeling, then data modeling, then process modeling, then application, and last is testing and turnover. The feedback is collected at every phase, enabling adjustments and refinement. Advantages of RAD model. First is faster development time, reduces development cycles by using reusable components and automated tools. Higher user involvement ensures product aligns closely with users' needs and expectations. Flexibility easily adapts to changes in requirement, making it ideal for dynamic environments. Cost efficiency. Reusable components help lower development costs. So let's move to disadvantages of RAD model. First is skilled team requirement. Needs experienced developers and designers to effectively implement RAD. Second is limited suitability. Not ideal for large scale or highly complex systems due to its rapid nature. Third is dependency on user involvement. Heavy reliance on consistent and engaged user feedback. Fourth is high cost. Requires expensive tools and technologies like Case tool for prototyping and automation. When to use RAD model? It is best for projects with short development time frames, clearly defined requirements from the outset, high user involvement throughout the development process, and it's not ideal for projects with limited budget due to high tooling and skill costs, system requiring scalability or extensive complexity. So what are tools used in RAD model? Here are some examples of tools. First is Case tool, facilitates automated design and prototyping. Second is prototyping tool, which quickly creates and tests prototype. Third is automated code generator, accelerate coding by generating boilerplate code. Fourth is visual development environment. Here we have comparison between RAD model versus traditional model. So, development speed of RAD model is fast as compared to traditional model. User involvement is high in RAD model whereas moderate to low in traditional model. Flexibility of RAD model is high whereas flexibility of traditional model is rigid. Cost of RAD model can be high and cost of. So now it's time to move to the conclusion. RAD accelerates delivery while maintaining user satisfaction and balancing speed with quality. It is an excellent choice for projects that are short term and well defined. It recognizes limitations such as cost and need for skilled teams, stresses that RAD should be chosen based on specific needs of the project.